Once upon a time, there was a blind man who lived in a small village. He was known for his extraordinary sense of hearing and for his ability to play beautiful music on his flute. One day, some villagers asked him, "How do you manage to play such a beautiful music when you can't see?" The blind man replied, "I don't need to see to play music. In fact, my blindness allowed me to focus more on my hearing power and to develop a deeper beauty of a sound." The villagers were amazed by his response and realized that his blindness was not a limitation for him, but rather a unique gift that allowed him to experience the world in a different way. So, my dear, what may seem like a limitation can often become a unique strength.